Good morning everyone, hope you're having a great day. Today I'm planning on preparing Palak Paneer. It's very famous in India. It's Indian cottage cheese with spinach puree. So I've got the spinach. In South Africa we get different kinds of spinach. This time I could find this one. It's big huge leaves but it's still spinach. So very healthy. And then I've got the paneer. So I'm going to start preparing it for you guys. I just need to fry paneer a bit. We can directly use it once we've done the puree. I'll show the process. But it's better to fry a paneer. Either you can use a pan, or what I'm going to do is, since it's going to be healthy, I've got my air fryer outside here. So I'm going to put some olive oil. I'm going to spray them, and then I'm going to put it and then give it like a 10 minutes deep fry, but with less oil. Okay. I've got a cooking spray, guys. So I'm not gonna use pure olive oil on the paneer. But what I'm doing, I'm gonna spray a bit on the paneer. So I've got my air fryer there. I'm just setting up 180 degrees for 10 minutes. That should be good. But I'm going to keep watching them, and I'm going to toss them once in a while and make sure that it's brown all the sides of the cubes. Paneer is in the air fryer. I'm going to start chopping my spinach leaves. So that's all spinach is done, guys. Just gonna toss my paneer so it fries up evenly. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set my little stove. So I've got my pan. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna slightly toss my spinach with some requirement with some all the ingredients. I'm going to walk you through one by one, and then once we cook the spinach for 50% half cooked, then what we need to do is we need to puree them in a blender. Okay. And today it's so windy, hope this thing stays on. Right, a bit of olive oil. I'm adding a bit of ginger garlic paste. And I've got some onion puree. So it's up to you guys. If you want to puree it, you can puree it, but I prefer in Palak Paneer puree. I don't want to have any kind of chunks. So, but you can very tiny chop onions. You can also use that. And I see my paneer looks a bit done. Yeah, that looks good, guys. I'm using a chili paste. I've added a bit of coriander and mint as well in this chili paste. I'm just gonna make them a bit brownish. I'm gonna add my spinach. I'm gonna add a bit of spices there. I'm adding a bit of turmeric and some garam masala. I've got some jeera powder. That's it. So I'm gonna give it a toss a bit and then pre-cook, like pre-cooking spinach. And then once it's like almost cooked for 50%, then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna blend it in a blender or a grinder, okay, to make it as a puree. And this is very healthy, guys, and you guys might already knew spinach is very good for health, and especially during this pandemic situation we need to take very healthy food. So spinach is one of that, and then ginger, garlic, turmeric. So I'm using all the healthy ingredients in it, and also cumin is also very good. People started drinking cumin and ginger water as like tea throughout the day. So tasty, healthy, yummy food. Alright guys, so spinach is almost cooked. I don't want to cook it because what I'm going to do is once the puree is done, when I blend this spinach mix, I'm going to toss my paneer and then I'm going to cook them along with the paneer, the puree as well. So I don't want to cook 100%. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just go inside, blend the spinach, and then come and join you guys. Stay tuned. So as you can see, the paneer, Indian cottage cheese. So I've fried them. They're a bit brown color, which is the right consistency of it. And then spinach, I put it in a blender and I made it a puree. Okay, so let's close it off. So what we need to do is I'm gonna add a bit of olive oil. A tiny portion. Then I'm going to put my paneer. Ah, it's so windy. Okay. I'm just going to add a bit of red chili powder. Adding some cinnamon, cardamom, and then I'm going to add a bit of dry ginger, which is very good. I'm adding a bit of salt. Right. Okay. So I just did, what I did is I just kind of marinated our paneer So it's going to give a bit of taste. Then I'm going to add the puree. So the paste is a bit thick. What I'm going to do is I'm going to stir it for a while, and then I'm going to add some water. So the paneer, the Indian cottage cheese, is going to soak in the puree as well, and it's going to taste a bit yummy. Okay, just adding a bit of water. So I'm going to simmer it for a few minutes, 4 to 5 minutes, because we cooked the paneer in the fryer, and then we almost cooked the puree, spinach, and we made it as a puree. So maximum 5 to 10 minutes, and it should be good for serving. But I'm going to close it off with a nice touch. So stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, so it's coming into the right consistency. I can add a bit of water as well. I'm going to add a bit more water. And guys, I've added a bit of salt, and it's up to you guys. You can have a taste test and then add salt accordingly, but salt for the taste. So this is the best part. Okay, I'm using a bit of cream, fresh cream, and this is the final touch, and then it's good for serving. Just simmer it for 1-2 minutes, and then we are good. Okay, along with this paneer, I need to. What I'm planning is I'm going to cook some nice cumin rice, which is Jeera Rice. And once I'm done, then I'm going to show you how to prepare the Jeera Rice. It's very easy, guys. It's very small. Anyone can cook Jeera Rice, so I'm going to show you guys that. So one final other touch, what I'm going to do is, so I've got some butter blocks, so I'm going to put a couple of them, and then that's a wrap. We're good. Okay, stay tuned guys, I'm going to cook some Jeera Rice for you guys, which can be served and which goes very nice, and it's a very good combination. Jeera Rice and Palak Paneer, it's a very good combination. Okay. Stay tuned guys. So I've done and served it into a bowl. So I'm going to just put some garnish. Gonna add a bit cream. My mint and parsley here. Alright, that's done. So now what I'm going to do is, I've got a bowl of rice, and I'm going to show you how to prepare some Jeera Rice. Okay, let's kick the process. So for Jeera rice, what I'm going to use is I'm going to use a bit of garlic and some jeera. So I'm going to use my ingredients. These are just the ingredients. These are the cumin seeds, guys. You don't need that much, just a pinch, few of them, that should be fine. And then I'm going to chop the garlic, and then I'm going to chop the curry leaves. And then the other ingredients is fresh from my garden. I've got green chilies. Okay. There you go, guys. So I'm going to pick a couple of them. There you go. Just give it a quick rinse. And switch it on. So what I'm doing is I'm just going to use some butter. I'm going to add some cumin. I'm adding curry leaves, garlic and chilies. I'm just going to toast them for a while. Okay, I think it's good enough. What I'm going to do, I'm going to add the rice. And then salt to taste. And we're done. And add a bit of garnish, mint and coriander leaves. Guys, I'm done. There you go. Hope you liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much for your time. Enjoy your day.